And if it won't cut off this time, here we go. All right, good, beautiful night, everybody. It's like 9 at night. Long story short, I got to lay some block in the morning. And I forgot to buy some string blocks at a separate store, not the first store. First store didn't have them. Thank you, Home Depot. So I forgot to run by the second store and grab a set of string blocks. So I came back to the house, scrounged one up, and I can't go in the morning because I'm going to be up there laying blocks super early in the morning. It's got a real feel of like 100 and something degrees down here right now, so I'm getting an early start. So let's build a string block. I always hated using the flat side down on a drawing knife, just never did feel right to me. I don't know if it does to y'all or not, but here's just some random information. And I still don't want to hear no jokes. So there it is. Could I go a little thinner or less wide? Yeah, I could. But as far as I'm concerned, that is close enough. I didn't square off the vacuum. Hopefully y'all can still see that pencil line. But that don't matter. Only thing that's gotta matter is that. And that's probably crooked. Okay, it's mostly not crooked, but either way, that's the only part that's gonna be touching block. So that's really all that matters. Is this right in here, the little cut, and that's it. Everything else is just for show. So either way, if y'all gotta have one, that's how you do one by hand. There's got to be better ways of doing it with machinery or whatever. But either way, it's late. I know I'm gonna have a rough day tomorrow, so see y'all in the next video. Pretty short video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that.